this product is for snoring. So if you wanna rest in the night, you or your partner have a snoring, so this is the product you need. So it's coming, this is the packet. So coming with two silicone like that. So how you can do it is you put together like that, and you introduce in the mouth like that. And that's it. It's a close. So in the morning, you can remove, wash it, and put it in the packet. So this is a very good product. I recommend it. I use in the night. So now I can sleep and rest.